Hey, you. Yeah, you. Stuck in that 9 to 5 grind, watching your bank account stay flat while your bills keep growing. You ever wonder if there's actually a way to start with nothing, like $0 and hit $1 million in just 1 year? Sounds crazy, but it's actually possible. Almost like it's overnight success. Stories that everyone claims are fake. But what if I told you that it's not a fairy tale, that it's actually possible with the right mindset, moves, and strategy? And no, you don't need to win the lottery or have a rich uncle. You just need to watch this video until the end. Because I'm going to break it all down step by step, no BS. So you can start your own $1 million journey starting from zero. First things first, mindset. This is where most people lose the game before it even gets started. If you think $1 million is only for the lucky people or geniuses or those born with a silver spoon, then you're already in the losing lane. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the truth, $1 million is not just money, it's a mindset. It's a series of smart decisions made consistently over time. Let me get personal for a second. A couple years ago, I was stuck in the same place as you. Zero savings, juggling bills, dreaming of one day having enough to breathe easy. And I didn't have a silver spoon. I didn't win the lottery. I barely knew what investing meant. But I did have one thing, a refusal to accept being broke. So I started small, took whatever gigs I could find, Googled like a madman. I have made plenty of mistakes, but I kept going. But that mindset shift, it was the catalyst. It was the foundation for everything changing for me. And it can be yours as well. Yes, you will need to hustle, but not in the exhausting, burn-out kind of way. The kind that gets results while you sleep. I'm not just talking about working on your money. I'm talking about not just working for it, but instead having it working for you. So you're starting at zero. What do you actually have? Time? Skills? Phone? Laptop? Great. Those are your tools. If you want to turn zero into $1 million, you must start earning extra income immediately. That means a side hustle that fits your life. Look, I know what you're thinking. I don't have skills, and that's where you're wrong. You have skills that you haven't recognized yet. Maybe you're good at writing or fixing things, or maybe you have been gaming for years. Guess what? Gaming skills can turn into streaming income or coaching. Don't sleep on your talents. If your skill is binge watching Netflix, well, you could start a YouTube review channel. Trust me, people watch those stuff. The key is to pick something that you can start now with no upfront cost and scale from there. Okay, now that you're making extra cash, you need to be careful. Here's where most people get stuck. Trading time for money. If you want that million, you need to leverage your time and build systems that work for you. This is where smart automation and passive income come in. Let's say you write a simple ebook or make a short course about something you're really good at. One-time work, potentially endless sales. Or you dive into affiliate marketing, recommending products you actually use and getting paid for it. This is how the rich build wealth, by creating multiple streams of income that don't require 24/7 effort. Let me hit you with some real math. If you invest $5 a day, the same price as that overpriced coffee you don't really need, and get a 10% annual return. That's 1.8 million over 40 years. But we are not waiting 40 years, are we? To go from 0 to $1 million in a year, every dollar has to be a soldier. It's not about saving your way there. It's about putting that money to work. Every single dollar you earn needs a job. Either it's building your brand, scaling your hustle, or multiplying itself through smart investments. You don't need thousands to start. You need a strategy. Even if you only have $20 a week to spare, put it somewhere with growth potential. Investing is about momentum. The earlier you start, the faster your wealth snowballs. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. You've got to think like a future millionaire today. Millionaires don't just earn, they multiply. So ask yourself, is your money multiplying or is it just disappearing? If you're serious about turning 0 to $1 million, then we need to talk about the one thing that's silently assassinating your wealth. And that thing is your spending habits. You work so hard every single day, but somehow by the 20th of every month, your money has magically disappeared. This has happened to the best of us. Here's the problem. You're trying to build $1 million life with $5 habits. What I'm saying is, you don't need to cut out everything fun. I'm not your grumpy uncle, but if you're buying designer clothing while your credit score looks like a broken clock, then you really need to adjust your strategy. Think of your money like soldiers. Every dollar is a warrior. Are you sending your army out to fight for your freedom, or are they just hanging out in Starbucks and buying stuff to impress people who don't even like you? If you want to be a millionaire, start treating your money like it matters. Cut the leaks. Reinvest every unnecessary expense back into your freedom fund, your business, your skills, and most importantly, your future. Reclaim your money. Track every dollar like a hawk. If you can save and redirect just $10 a day into your side hustle or investment, that's over $3,000 a year. Money that can literally be the difference between 0 and $1 million. Last but not least, who you surround yourself with matters more than you actually think. If your crew is all about complaining and the rat race is impossible, guess what? You'll stay stuck. But if you find people who push you, share ideas, and create wins, you'll get inspired and stay accountable. Remember, even millionaires had mentors and teams. Don't try to do this alone. Build your team. Turning 0 into $1 million in 12 months isn't some magic trick. It's a combination of mindset, hustle, smart leverage, investing, and most of all, discipline. It won't be easy and it won't happen overnight. But if you commit, learn fast, and take action every single day, it can happen. But the real question is this: are you ready to start? Because your $1 million journey starts with the first step right now. So hit that like button if you're serious about change, and don't forget to subscribe for more no BS money hacks coming your way. Go get that bag. You got this.